How's it going, everyone? In this video we're going to go over my top 5 cool features that I like that I use personally on a daily basis on the Google Home Mini. Now this will work on most Google Home voice assist, but this one's going to be directly towards the Mini. Now starting off with number 1 is My Day. Let's say you just barely woke up and while you're getting ready to go to work, if you say the command code, My Day.
Good morning, Master. The time is 10:12 a.m. Today, it'll be mostly sunny, with a forecasted high of 65 and a low of 46. By the way, remember to move my car. Have a good one.
It will inform you on today's weather forecast, any reminders or appointment, as well as if there's a delay on your daily commute, it will alert you ahead of time, letting you know there's a collision and give you recommendations on what route you should take to avoid this traffic.
On your way to work, a crash on I-680 South and then a slowdown on California 237 West are causing a 37-minute delay. You can save 5 minutes by taking California 84 West. It is 1 hour and 12 minutes by car.
And then depending on how you have it set up, it could then begin talking about the news.
Here's the latest news. From Fox News at 10 a.m. today.
Sports.
From NBA Fast Break at 9:13 p.m. yesterday.
It is your fast!
And more. There's many other sources you can add, move around, and customize as you like. To get to this page where you want to set it up is you go to the Google Home app, you go under devices, settings, and go down to more, and then go down to My Day, and from here you can add your daily commute, the sources you would like to hear every time you ask for this command, and more. And at number 2, while it's reading to you the news, you can simply pause and play by simply holding down one of the two sides for a couple of seconds. It'll pause and then hold it once again for a few more seconds and it'll resume back to whatever audio streaming you're listening to. And at number 3 is shopping list. Say for example, one day you open up your refrigerator door and you notice you're low on eggs. Well, you can simply request Google to add eggs to the shopping list.
Okay, I've added eggs to your shopping list.
And next time when you're at the grocery store, simply take out the Google Home app and you'll see your shopping list has been created and you can check mark the item once you have it in your cart. This is similar to the Alexa, but this is a lot more convenient since you don't have to check out using the Amazon app. And at number 4 is something that not a lot of people know about, is the ability to have night mode enabled. What this does is give you the ability to lower the volume of the Google Home Assist when it responds, as well as dim the brightness of the Google Home LED lights. So whenever you request for something, you don't have bright LEDs on your face, causing a distraction, allowing you to have a better night's sleep. And you get the ability to have it scheduled so it could enable and disable automatically at certain time periods. And at number 5 is the Bluetooth connectivity. Rather you have the speaker in your living room, kitchen, bathroom, I'm not here to judge. It's just really convenient having this little speaker around these areas. And you might as well go ahead and take advantage of the speaker quality off the Mini. Even though it's a Mini, and yes, there are other speakers that sound way better than the Mini, audio still sounds a lot better than playing it off just your smartphone. And connecting it, super easy. You can also use your voice to disconnect as well. Well, there you guys have it. Those are my top 5 features that I use personally on a daily basis, and I find it really useful, and I'm pretty sure some of you guys might have not known. If you're one of those people, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and the other button helps out as well. So please stay tuned for the next video because that one's going to be kind of cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. But until next time, hope to see you on the next one. Peace.